Building a digital product is a one-time effort, but it can be sold an unlimited number of times over the next 5 to 10 years. You may not realize it, but we use digital products every day. It's not just a product, it's a digital asset that keeps making money for a long time without needing much work. By utilizing the free traffic sources that I will discuss in this tutorial, you can achieve profit margins of almost 100%. Entrepreneurs are increasingly creating businesses centered around digital products due to their popularity and ease of distribution. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to sell your own digital products. You will learn everything you need to know to start a successful online business selling digital products from A to Z. To help you start your online business, this video covers the most popular types of digital products, why sell digital products, where to sell them, and how to get started. Now, why should you get into selling digital products? Selling digital products is a low-cost, low-hassle way to open a new revenue stream. It's very friendly for beginners. Starting is easy and doesn't require much upfront investment. No dealing with inventory or hefty costs, just a lot of potential for profit. That's why I'm so enthusiastic about this business model, and today, I'm sharing its secrets with you. People pay a lot for courses like this, but I'm giving it to you for free. All I ask in return is a little love. Hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's break it down. Why you sell digital products. When you sell physical products, you've got a long list of costs, like product expenses and shipping. But with digital products, it's a different story. Imagine not having to deal with that headache. That's the beauty of digital products. When you make a sale, you're keeping almost all of the money. No inventory hassle, just pure profit. So, what exactly is a digital product? It's not something you can touch, but it's something people can use and buy, just like physical products that fulfill our needs and wants. In our more and more digital world, the options are endless. There's a variety of digital products out there: ebooks, PDF guides, printables, templates, planners, recipes, courses, tutorials, games, and the list goes on. The key is value. Your digital product should solve a problem or fulfill a need, whether it's educational or entertaining. While both can work, the ones that usually make good money focus on solving specific problems. It doesn't have to be groundbreaking, but it must provide value. Now, with this digital variety, how do you find the right digital product for you? Easy. Like any business model, it starts with picking a niche. I've got your back on this brainstorming journey. Think about this: everyone has something they know that others might not. Whether it's creating impressive PowerPoints or designing eye-catching flyers on Canva, you can teach others these skills. Imagine selling a bunch of digital products related to that. The possibilities are endless. No matter who you are, there's a niche waiting for you. Whether you're starting an online business or getting into content creation, the key is to pick a niche. Consider what you're good at, something you can teach others. If you're skilled with Canva, show the world how to make impressive designs and start selling your digital creations. As you think about your digital path, remember that your audience doesn't have to be everyone. It's the ideal person who will buy your digital product. This perspective will help you determine what that product should be. Picture that ideal person. What do they like or want? During this self-discovery, research is your best friend. Check TikTok profiles, explore Instagram, and delve into Pinterest. I bet you'll find other profiles in your niche that will inspire you and serve as examples. It's like your own digital product treasure hunt. So, here's your mission. Whatever idea is currently in your mind, go on a social media safari. Use TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, type in your niche, and start exploring profiles. I'm almost certain you'll discover other players in your chosen field, giving you a goldmine of inspiration and examples. Now that we've seen how others are succeeding in the digital product game and you've got a sense of what's out there, it's time to get into the creative zone. Of course, we're not about copying, but checking out what others are doing can spark some serious inspiration for your own masterpiece. So, armed with these ideas, let's roll up our sleeves and get into the details of creating your very own digital product. For today's creative project, we're making a PDF ebook, a simple digital creation that's perfect for beginners. And here's the exciting part: we're using Canva. Canva is my preferred tool for all things online business. It's easy to use and comes with free templates. Let's get started. Type ebook in the Canva search bar. Look at all these fantastic ebook templates available to you. Check for templates with multiple pages. You can find these by scrolling over the little numbers on the lower left side. I like these because you get more layouts to work with. Let's choose this one, click Customize, and let your creative ideas flow. So, I've chosen this template, and the first thing to do is upload a photo, in my case, a snapshot of myself. You don't have to show your face, just pick a photo related to your topic. And because I'm all about vibrant vibes, let's change up the colors to make it stand out and match the stylish jacket I'm wearing in the picture. Feel free to skip this step if it's not your thing, I just have a vision, you know? Looking for some graphic magic? Check out the Elements tab, it's a treasure trove. I'm adjusting the font, making it bold for that extra impact. Move the text around, add any flair you like, it's your canvas. For this tutorial, I'm creating a digital product about building effective email lists for UGC creators to connect with brands. UGC, user-generated content, is a great side hustle you can start with zero investment. This digital product is all about meeting a need, so here's to making things happen for you guys. Alright, we've nailed the cover page for our digital masterpiece, keeping it sleek and simple. Now, let's turn the virtual page and move on. I like this layout. It's clean and does the job perfectly. A little text tweak here, a color change there, voila. And guess what? To save time and effort, I'm hitting that magic button, duplicate page. No need to reinvent the wheel each time, right? So, I actually prepared my digital product in a Word document beforehand. Now, I'm copying and pasting the content right into the masterpiece we're creating. I'm going all in, bolding everything, making it as big as it gets for that standout vibe. Copy pasting done. There you have it. Alright, we've covered the basics. I'll finish the rest off screen. When you're done, go to the share button in the upper right, hit download, and switch it to PDF standard because, yup, we're making a PDF document. Click download, and there you have it. Now, take a look at our final creation. It's not some flashy, over-the-top design, just a clean and straightforward template packed with value. Here's the thing, too many graphics can distract from the real reason people grabbed it. I like to keep things simple yet effective. We literally put this together in less than 10 minutes, and hey, while you're still on Canva, here's a bonus tip, check out the variety of mockups they offer. Use these for social media or your website. It's like a sneak peek for your customers, they can visualize how they'll receive the product. Selling a planner? Grab a mockup, and it'll look like it's right on their iPad. It's a psychology game changer. Now that you have your masterpiece, it's showtime. You're not just creating, you're selling. Let's kick it up a notch and showcase your creation on social media. I've got my eye on this mockup, it just speaks to me. Time to customize it a bit. You can either grab a screenshot of the cover or download it as a single PNG. This way, you can seamlessly upload it into the Canva mockup template. Place it on the iPad screen, tweak anything you need, and there you go. In less than 5 minutes, you've got a killer mockup ready to attract those sales for your digital product. Stick around until the end of this video, that's when I share the secrets on how to turn this masterpiece into actual sales. If you're struggling with a title for your digital product, don't overlook ChatGPT. It's free to use. Just type in what your ebook is about, and boom! You'll get a ton of title options in seconds. They're pretty awesome too. Now that you've designed and created your digital masterpiece, let's get this out there, start promoting, and reel in those sales. But first we need a platform so that we can sell our digital product. Here is a list of 3 best platforms for selling digital goods. Shopify. Shopify has grown to help people sell things online, on social media, and with simple buying options like one-click buttons. It's the best at this kind of online selling, letting people make stores for digital and physical stuff. The cool thing is, you can try Shopify for free and see how it works for yourself. They have lots of different styles and designs you can choose from to make your store look nice, and you can change them however you like. Plus, there are lots of extra tools you can add to your store, some you pay for and some you don't, to make it work even better, kind of like how Amazon and Newegg sell stuff online. Gumroad. Gumroad helps connect products with customers easily. It's really popular for selling digital stuff because it's simple, safe, and easy to use. You just upload your music, books, games, movies, or online classes to Gumroad, set a price, and let people buy them. You can even put Gumroad on your website easily with a special widget. This way, you have control over how you sell your stuff online. Lots of people use Gumroad by itself to sell their digital products. They promote their stuff on social media, like Facebook or Instagram. It's kind of like Selfie, another platform for selling digital things, but you don't need a website to use Gumroad. DPD. DPD is a platform that helps sell digital products. You just upload your files to DPD, and it takes care of everything for you. You can put an add to cart button almost anywhere you want, like on your website, blog, or even on Facebook. DPD also works with lots of other tools for marketing. When customers buy something, they can quickly and safely finish their purchase, and the money goes straight to you. Plus, DPD sends the files to the customers, so you don't have to do anything else. It's a good choice to start selling your stuff online. Now, let's talk about how to really make those sales happen. Your digital product might be amazing, but if you're not telling people about it, it might as well not even exist. Nobody will buy something they don't know about. And guess what? You don't have to be some super famous influencer to make this work. Let me make something clear, you don't need a ton of followers to make money with your digital products. In today's world of social media, having a huge following isn't the only way to succeed. Personally, I'm all about Pinterest, especially if you're just starting out. It's more than just a social site, it's also a search engine. The cool thing is, when you post something on Pinterest, you can link straight to the page where people can buy your digital product. It's simple, but it works. And then there's Instagram and TikTok, my go-to for getting lots of people interested in what I'm selling. You might be thinking, how do I make content for my digital products? It's actually pretty simple. Forget about boring screenshots, they're not going to get people interested. Instead, grab your computer, put your phone behind you, and show yourself using the digital products. You don't even have to show your face, just focus on showing off the product in action. Make a video where you share your excitement, like me showing off this awesome digital guide on becoming an influencer, or whatever your product is about. Get creative, add some spice, and watch the audience come pouring in. Trust me, a little creativity can go a long way on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Here's a really helpful tip. When you're marketing on social media, it's important to keep your digital product content separate from your personal stuff. You know, like those cute pictures of your kids or your adorable dog. Social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram work better when your content is focused on one topic. So, keep your business talk on dedicated pages related to your niche or topic. Consistency is key here. Use the same hashtags, keep the same tone in your posts, and let your profile tell people what you're all about. This way, TikTok and Instagram can show your content to the right audience, the people who are interested in buying your digital products. And don't forget to put a link to your digital product store in your bio. Think of social media like a funnel, always leading people towards your treasure trove. Think of social media as an investment, not just a waste of time. Even if your first few videos don't go as planned, each one teaches you something. You're improving every time you make a new video. And don't forget about Pinterest, it loves eye-catching images. But in my experience, when I went from making nothing to over $10,000 a month, video content was what made the real difference. So, put your focus on making engaging videos. Believe me, it'll make a big difference. But let's be realistic here. Going from 0 to $1 million in a month isn't some magic trick. Like any business, you'll need to try different things, face failures, and learn from them before you find success. Your journey is your own, so try not to compare it to others. Don't be afraid to try new things. That's the beauty of the digital product world. You can test things out with minimal risk and explore different products without needing physical inventory. It's a low-risk venture.